Paano po makakuha ng CC? Need ba may malaking savings sa BDO? Actually, it's a no. Ako po, personally, I don't fund my debit accounts ng ganong kalaki. Like, I just maintain it. Yung mismo minimum balance niya lang. Or if not naman, hindi talaga siya umaabot ng like malaking digits. It's because sa safety na rin ng aking debit cards and debit accounts. So the answer is no. You don't need to have malaking savings sa BDO. So ayun, and I got approved naman kahit na hindi po malaki yung savings ko sa account sa BDO. So kapag nag-a-apply ka naman din dyan, is tinitingnan din naman po yung payslip, yung certificate of employment. So I think yun yung factor nila when it comes to approving. Isang malaking factor din yun. So yeah, if you don't have an account, you don't have to worry about it. Kasi yung iba pong credit cards ko din, wala po akong debit account or savings account sa kanila, but I still got approved. So, ang account ko lang talaga sa kanila is credit card. Like for my China Bank and East West and Bank of Commerce, wala po akong mga savings sa banks na yon. Ito lang, nagkataon lang kasi yung BDO. Medyo, dati ko pa siya na-open. Bata-bata pa ako, nakapag-open na ako. So, ayun, mini-maintain ko na lang po siya. Okay, so I hope this video helps. If you like this kind of content, please do like and follow.